Okay, welcome back to a not so sunny Adelaide today. A little bit overcast, it's about 20, my watch says 21 degrees, it feels a bit warmer than that. Yesterday we had 39 degrees, so it's a big difference between today and yesterday. But I just thought we'd do a little walk around Glenelg. The renovations are supposed to be almost finished. So I just thought I'd take a little trip down and we'll have a walk around, maybe have a look at the marina area, which I don't think I've put on video before. And yeah, so let's go for a walk anyway. Few days before New Year's. What are we today? 30th. So it looks like they'll be getting all the stage and things ready now for the New Year's. They normally have a New Year's celebration thing on down here. Have a little peep at what they're up to. Bit of a miserable day today. Well, not miserable, but a bit overcast. Yesterday was 36 degrees and then today it's only 21. Bit of a strange summer so far. See, the big wheel is up and running. It's a nice feature this here every year. So when you get on that, it's that's quite high, and you get quite a great view down Jetty Road. And it's changed quite a lot around here at the moment. All these buildings in front are brand new. We'll have a little wander over this way. So if you see behind me here, this is an extension of the Moseley Bar, which is part of the Grand Hotel, which you can see over there. So yeah, so there's a bar at the bottom of the Grand Hotel, and for the summer months they open up the Moseley Beach Bar. So you can actually sit down there right next to the sea, have some drinks, cocktails, some food, and you can pop in, have a swim. And then you have the jetty right next to you. So and then you have, of course, the Ferris wheel right next to you as well. It's quite nice, looks well at night when it's all lit up. And then behind there you have the town hall. Now I think we go for a walk over all these buildings, these apartments over here face onto one side you've got the beach, and on the other side you've got a marina. I think we'll take a walk over that way and I'll show you around. See, it's quite choppy out there today. I don't think the surf lifesavers are going to be too busy though. It's not, I don't know if it's warm enough to be going swimming. Now, mind you, there is some people out there. If you can see out there, there's some people swimming. But yeah, as I say, yesterday was almost 40 degrees and then today it's dropped down by 20. Anyway, we'll continue our walk. Here we have the Glenelg Surf Life Saving Club. Do some nice meals there, and you got a nice view of the sea, as you can see, facing straight out. It's a nice spot. Plenty of places to eat and drink down here. So this is the Holdfast Promenade end of Glenelg. So we're heading north. So this is the northern end of Glenelg. So you got all the restaurants and bars and things like that down this end. So you got a nice bridge. You have all these really nice apartments either side. It's a really nice place to live along here. Apartments everywhere, and then at the bottom of the apartment you have like restaurants. This place here is a really nice Greek restaurant. Haven't been in, but it's supposed to be very nice. And then you got all the nice yachts parked. Ouzo restaurant and bar. No, sorry. I can't even pronounce it. Elenika. And then we have some nice yachts and where the wealthy park up. So you can see these apartments have a beautiful view. One side you got the sea, and then the other side you got this nice little marina. We'll go for a walk and have a look. I'll show you. It seems to be closed today. Might be a bit early. Show you some prices just so you get an idea of what the price of things are here. So there you get pasta and a glass of wine, $35. Coffee and a cake, $9.90. That seems quite reasonable actually. Yeah, it looks like the average meal kind of 30s, 40s per dollar. Really nice around here. That wouldn't be a bad view now to have, would it? Looking out your balcony and having that, and you're literally a stone throw from the beach as well. The Oyster Bar, I've been in there a few times. And this is a really nice Japanese restaurant. I've been here a few times as well. It's expensive though from memory. Yeah, you're looking at between $60 and $80 a meal. It is nice though.
Did these guys not let you?
And then we have the Sunset Bar. This place really gets busy of an evening, and it's I suppose a younger crowd. You got the music pumping. And then we have Sammy's Seafood Restaurant, the Inn, which is quite popular, which is around the corner here. Not a bad view from here neither. And then you got all your apartments up above. So that's another view of that's the bridge we just walked over a few minutes ago. That goes down along the marina, and they're the probably a better view of the apartments. As I say, one side's the sea, and then the other side you have a nice view of all this green area. You got more apartments over there, and then the main strip of Glenelg is straight ahead there. Keep walking straight ahead, you end up on Jetty Road, which is where all the shops and restaurants and all that kind of thing is. So we'll probably keep walking back that way anyway.
Yeah, no worries at all.
This, I'm not sure what you'd call it, bandstand maybe. This is actually a point of interest here in Glenelg. So if you look up the story of the missing children that went missing back in I think it was 1966, the Beaumont children, this was the last place that they were seen. They were actually at this bandstand, and there was back then there was a lot of people in this area sitting around, and then you had the beach. They'd gone swimming over that beach just there, and yeah, they went missing. So it was a little girl and two boys went missing and have never been seen since. So this was where they were last spotted, right here at this bandstand, talking to some unknown man. Sad story, look it up. So we continue on. This is heading towards the main strip of Glenelg now. This is the beach house. This is like I suppose a what would you call it, entertainment place for children, fun park, amusements, that type of thing. They've got a really nice Ferris wheel in there, like looks old fashioned, but I don't think it is really that old. You can see it through there. Then you got this little enclosed area. The restaurants and shops along here seem to change quite often. I do have a favourite, which is Coco's, which is along here, which does Asian food, and it's very nice and it's quite reasonably priced. I'll show you what I mean. So those prices are quite, that's like on average $10 for an entree and about $18 for a main. And they do a lunchtime special as well. So this pops out at the Grand Hotel. And then when you look to your right, then you'll have the big wheel like I showed you earlier. So we've kind of done a bit of a circle around. So there we go, see where we're back where we started. This is going to be absolutely packed with people come New Year's Eve. All this area here will be packed, and then you will have bands and fireworks off the jetty there, or in front of the jetty. So this is the main spot when you come to Glenelg. Anyway, I might leave that there for today. It was just a quick video, quick walk around. I'm going to start doing a few more videos more often. Until the next one, adios amigos.